MissCarly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing wig video that I have for you. As my main objective for my channel is to inspire, to empower, and to share knowledge with all of you. So let's get inspired by this epic wig. Not just amazing like I normally say, but epic. As this wig has been the game changer for me. I'm like, this came from above. Like the heavens from above came this wig. Also, I kind of felt like a Kardashian when I wore it. I transformed into this glamorous person. Whoa, it's all I can say. And I never knew that a blondie would ever do that to me. So let's get talking about this life-changing wig, right? So this is the brown sugar right here. So here's the card. And it is in the style of BS230 and in the color of this sandy blonde. It actually comes in some very interesting other shades. It has this tiger eye style, which means that it just has like this beautiful gradation and like multi-dimensional color. Who's gonna fight that? Not me. So, I mean, she looks great in it, and I thought, I actually took a chance on this wig as there was no reviews on it, nor were there a YouTube video on it. So I was like, you know, I'm just gonna take a chance on it, and lo and behold, it was glamorous. So let's just talk about the wig itself. Oh, let me just show you. Look at that beautiful long wig. So it's 24 inches. It actually looks like it's longer than 2 feet, but that's what they say. And you can see this beautiful root dimensional right here. It's very ashy. It's a very ashy blonde, and this is what I've realized, that ashy blondes look best on me versus warmer tone blondes. Okay, also, let's talk about the inside. There are 2 clips in the front, and there is 1 clip in the back with the fastener. And did I tweeze the part? I did not tweeze the part, but I may do a tad bit of tweezing, just a little bit. But it's really great, and it's actually I'd probably say a level 4 or 5 root, so it's not black, it's just a very soft. Okay, great. So let's put it on. Of course, I have my wig cap right here in nude, which I got from Amazon for a 10-pack. I will leave the link below. So just buy it. I mean, buy yourself a 10-pack. You're gonna need it. Why not? So here we go. Just put this on. Now, I will tell you in my videos, I haven't just throwing this wig cap on. If I were actually going to be wearing it out, I would spend more time like really hiding my hair. And I've been really bad about just throwing it on and having little red hairs popping on out. So same with the back. So, and of course, if you do have longer hair, you are just going to pin it, twist it, braid it up, however you can get it underneath. So here we go. I look like I put it in pretty well. Maybe this little nub, but that won't matter. Okay. What also I will tell you with these long wigs is that you really have to commit to bringing a brush with you, as they do tangle quickly. And that's kind of what people always say with longer wigs, and you will forget. Oh, look at, this is just, so I'm gonna part it on the side that I always put my hair, which is this side. I mean, already look, it's already changing my look dramatically. So let's just do this like this, brush it. Also, it will feel like it is shedding more than a regular wig because the hairs are very long. So it does shed. but it just may seem more because instead of like my usual shorty wigs, you're just like these little hairs, and now you've got these big, long, 24-inch hairs that are just popping around. So, I mean, wow. I mean, look at this. Look at this. I mean, this is just amazing. Look how great this is. It's just, it's a Kardashian wig. What else can we talk about it? I mean, it literally is perfect. It's very light. It just feels great. It's not too much hair. It's not too little hair. I feel like it is absolutely perfect. And I am literally obsessed with this wig. And I feel like it's a total game changer. I actually was like, I'm wearing this for the rest of the year. So if you're gonna be seeing me, this is what I'm gonna be looking at. So, and also the best part about this wig, it was $34. $34. $34. So I'm probably gonna get this. And the other color, the one color in, you know, it comes in a khaki brown. That does sound interesting to me. But yeah, what do you guys think about this? Do you want to get this wig? Probably. Just order it. Just order it and be glamorous. Ah! I love it. And let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you don't like it. Maybe you don't. I'm not sure. But let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you. All the information for this wig is down below. And just have fun with it. You know, putting on a wig like this, it's like, one of the main reasons why I also like wearing a wig is that, let's say I'm running around, I gotta go somewhere, and I'm like, ugh, I don't wanna do my hair, or it's gonna take too long, I'd rather not mess with it, I don't want to do it. You literally spend 2 minutes, pop on a wig, and you have glamorous hair instantly. No washing. You don't even have to brush your hair. And no hot tools, no nothing. Also, if you want to give your hair a break, wear a wig, right? So this is why I love wearing wigs. And also why wouldn't I want to look like this sometimes or all the time? So again, I'm rambling. Thank you again for coming. Please like, share, and subscribe. And of course, when you subscribe, please hit the little bell here so you do get all notifications of the wigs that I do, because don't miss any of these amazing wigs that I'm doing, right? That would be tragic. So again, thank you. We'll see you soon. Bye.